Thinking about buying a home here in the Palm Springs area? If so, there are some important things you need to know about. Hi, I'm Neil Nussbaum, realtor here in the Palm Springs area. Do you want a single home or a condo? What's your price range? Are you already pre-approved with a lender? Do you want to be in a gated or non-gated community? From Palm Springs to Indio, you can find the ideal home that fits your lifestyle and your needs. Each area of the Coachella Valley has its own unique and special properties. Do you want to be close to downtown Palm Springs? Do you want to be able to walk to El Paseo in Palm Desert? Do you want to be on a golf course? Or do you want to be close to hiking? Location is an important consideration when buying in the Palm Springs area. Lease Land. Parts of Palm Springs, Rancho Mirage, and Cathedral City have Indian lease land and contractors lease land. When we talk about lease land, we're talking about the land under your home or condo, and you don't own it. You pay the landowner a fee to have your home or your condo on the leased land. So you're not only paying for your home or condo, but you're also making a lease payment for the right for your property to sit on the land underneath your home or condo. Typically, a leased land property is less expensive than a fee land property where you own the land that the property is sitting on. Do you plan to live in the Palm Springs area full-time or part-time? Do you want to be able to rent your home or condo when you're not here? Palm Springs and the Coachella Valley have a thriving vacation rental industry. Most areas have strong ordinances and regulations dealing with home vacation rentals. In addition, most homeowners associations have guidelines for how long you can rent your home for. Finding the right Palm Springs area home or condo is a process. If you have any other questions, feel free to call me, text me, or email me. All my contact information is below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.